we're gonna do more work on the house. Spent a long time trying to find this matching lock and key. I'm not sure how this gate got so, the gap got so screwed up, but I do need to make a new door. But for the moment, I'm gonna correct this here. And here's a lock that took me forever to find. I need to bend this latch in a good amount, and I guess we'll do that, but I've got other fish to fry, so yeah, at least we got a new lock on there. So we got lights turned back on. And it's a pretty good sized home. This is the home where I grew up in. So here we go. Here's the new keys. Put that off to the side. And we've got hardware here. Alright, we've got the new doorknob, so we'll change them out now. Changing it out. Right? Alright, it works. Locked. Unlocked. Alright, so I didn't film this part, but I had to cut out the frame a little bit so this lock would fit. It wasn't never really sitting steady, but now it wasn't really fully closing, but now it is. So we're good. Here you go. Alright, I'm going to take a breather and I'll catch you guys later on. We'll continue with the repairs.